Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Window decoration ideas offer an exciting and versatile way to transform the look and feel of any room. These captivating concepts go beyond near window treatments and usher in a new dimension of creativity and style. Embrace the allure of sheer curtains that allow natural light to filter through, creating an ethereal and airy ambience. For a more classic and formal touch, consider elegant drapery with decorative hardware that adds a touch of sophistication to any window space. Embracing the coziness of a nook, create a charming window seat with plush cushions and throw pillows, offering the perfect spot for relaxation and daydreaming, maximizing the view outside. Opti for minimalistic window builds or sleek roller shades that seamlessly blend into the backdrop while providing privacy and light control. Adding a touch of greenery, place potted plants onto the wall or install floating shelves to display a collection of indoor plants, bringing nature closer to your living spaces. Play with textures and patterns by layering curtains with vibrant prints or bold colors, creating a statement piece that draws the eye. No matter your style or preference, window decoration ideas allow you to personalize your space, bringing warmth, elegance, and character to every nook and cranny of your home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.